full starter guide. They're free. They're all in the link down below. But let's look at the request of what kind of app, and let's talk about it, right? So we're trying to build a women's health app that will log women's cycles and then predict their fertility.
This is the first section. For me, immediately when I hear that, and again, this comes back to experience. Prediction, I would break into like a separate thing. So login cycles is one thing. Using that data to predict whatever is another piece. So for now, I'm just going to give it the login cycles, and then I'm going to give it the predict piece. I haven't given it in sometimes, especially in my more complicated build, I might tell it exactly, hey, I want a sidebar, I want this, I want that. In this case, we don't need to do that. We don't need to always do that. In this case, we're not doing that. We're just giving it this one sentence and letting it assume a lot. If you want to assume a lot less, then you'll be very, very specific on what you want. We're doing this just to prove, like, hey, you don't have to know everything. Like, a part of this is a part of the creative process. A part of this is a part of this, like the regular building process. So you see, hey, it's making a dashboard page, and I actually think in this case it's going to create a database. I think it'll probably create user profiles. We didn't use any of that in the previous ones. It's creating a page to log your cycle.
Dominic, could you talk just briefly, like we were saying, breaking it up? So this first section is going to be more logging, making sure the user will be able to just log. You're just looking for that one action. Am I understanding that correctly?
Yeah, and that's just coming back to my experience. And immediately when I hear that, I would, if I was coding it myself, I would actually break it into two pieces when I'm scoping out the work, or when I'm breaking the milestones, and when I'm thinking about the work. I think, okay, login is one piece. What do I need to be able to log cycles? Then what do I need to be able to predict whatever I need to predict from that data?
Okay.
You
And
can
what are we looking at right here?
have to have all the answers. Arts ChatGPT, Arts Claude, Arts Gemini. How should I break this project up?
Exactly. That's exactly right. So you don't have to be on an island. You don't have to say, well, that's easy for you, Dominic. Like you already have this experience. Just ask. Like that's the power of having all of these tools right here. This is excellent. So, okay, we're having a logging. We're seeing this.
This, this is what it's given me. Like, this is what it's given me itself. And all I'm gonna say is, saving. You can see here recent logs. Okay, so now we want to build upon this, and I might turn around and say, hey, I see a couple immediate errors. And one immediate error is, I don't know what's going on here, but I can't see the dates on the calendar view. So I'll say, I can't see the dates on the calendar view. And then I'll say, I can either break this up or I can keep this in. Sometimes if it's a lot of small tasks, I might keep it in. If I know another task is relatively big, I'll break it up. I would say, so those are little things that it shouldn't really have trouble handling, especially if it's not dealing with any third-party integrations. Sometimes it does get messy when it's third-party integrations. When it's not third-party integrations, it's usually okay.
Well, you're on early. Quite, first of all, quite.
Actually, I have made something similar to this now that I think about it.
But wait, Dominic, before you go that route, let's think about for ones that are thinking about this. I want you to appreciate that less than 5 minutes, what Dominic just got to, right? So in less than 5 minutes, the progression of being able to have the first step in your application. Now, I see in the comments, like, yeah, there's a lot of other user data that will require for the women's data. Okay. But then you can go back either with your own experience, because you're a doctor, what are the textbook? What are the algorithms? What are those different factors to now power the AI model to be able to predict that? You might say, okay, now that we know all of these predictive things, what should the application ask, or what should the woman be able to fill out to do these things, right? But the action of building these applications and having these logical models to do them, they're at your fingertips, and you're taking the time to take step by step going through this. But let us know in the comment section if this makes sense as you're going through this. I just wanted to pause for a moment just to highlight how much progression you just did in less than 7 minutes of work.
Yeah, I can't stress enough, and I can't see exactly what the chat's saying, but I can't stress enough. Don't overthink it. And then there was something I was watching today about how we have a lot of ego in our profession and what we do, saying, "Hey, it needs more than." No, it doesn't actually need more. It actually needs less than you think it needs. Um, Especially where AI comes into play. When AI comes into play, it is incredibly smart. So actually here, it encountered an error before I even said fix. It's working on the fixes for it. And while it's so I made, and this was just a test off the back of something I saw on social media, and it's similar. You can log. Um, so it was about recovering from Ozempic, which is like huge in the US, especially right now. Um, you can log. You say, "Hey, I got this symptom, and it's really bad," and couple times, go ahead and log it. You can edit the log, delete the log. It actually draws up a graph for you. Turn around, hit generate insights, and it's going to generate insights for you based on everything in the log. So to me, that's exact. It's kind of what you said. You see here. So and this is a variable that can be changed. So whatever the output format is not a big deal. Like you can change that to whatever you want it. So here you can see I've just told it, what did I say to it? I said, hey, I can't see the dates in the calendar view. It fixed that. Now we can click on this and we can edit and delete it and we can see the details. So this is what I wanted. And bear in mind, there are still errors. So I can see 2 close buttons here. That's no big deal. I'll just tell it get rid of one of them, and it's probably going to get rid of that one. And now we want to predict. So I'm see vibe coding at its finest, Doc. I'm not using really technical language. I'm not. There's nothing technical really here that I'm doing. I'm just telling it what I want. Now, again, Doc mentioned like I've been building a long time, both with code and with no code, and now with like AI assisted tools. So a lot of the features I already have an idea of like what features should be there. I've studied thousands of apps, so I'm not a beginner looking at this, but I want you to know it's really possible just by explaining what you want it to build.
Yeah, I love it. And guys, just to let you know, we're going to be on this channel. Dominic, this is the third time being on the channel. We're going to keep putting out different master classes, talking about different ways to do this. There is going to be a course coming out in the next couple of months, but I want you to really think about it. The principles of looking at what we're seeing is go step by step on what's happening. Make sure that you're just using critical thinking, asking questions, and then go step by step. A lot of times I find, and why I've been hesitant to release a course is I think it sometimes bogs people down and gets people to just be like, oh, I don't know enough. And they just want to keep doing the course instead of just going out and building things. So it's going to be very, very different coming up. I'm not sure if it's going to be more challenge based or you have to do certain things before you get the next lesson. But what Dominic is just showing you, this is what's possible. And this is, again, just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Um, Dominic, unfortunately, we got to wrap this thing up, but we're going to be back soon. Before you let the
So
good people go, anything you want to say?
we just hit generate insights. You can see it's created the insights for us. And this is, I don't know, how long we've been building this? 10 minutes? So
Yeah,
in
yeah. 10
15
minutes.
minutes, we have something basic. And my only thing would be, so whether you talk about a cycle tracker or whether you talk about whatever application we're building, it's becoming easier for people to build applications. So you have to find a niche, you have to find an angle. Maybe for a cycle tracker, there might be particular demographics or women with particular conditions or like very focus on a niche demographic. But that's regular business 101, right, Doc?